Court is calling 2024 CR 0823, State of Texas versus Chris Sandoval. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Please appear and
Defense.
Sean Sheffield, Your Honor, we're ready.
And are you Mr. Sandoval? Counsel, have you received all of the discovery?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review it with your client?
I did.
And Mr. Sandoval, did you review the application for deferred adjudication or community supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it? Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it? Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We do, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, Your Honor.
On all counts or just count one?
Count one. Waive other counts.
All right, any objection?
No, Your Honor.
Pause right here. This is already serious. A third-degree felony in Texas means real prison time 2 to 10 years. This isn't a slap on the wrist, and everything that happens next decides whether this man walks free or goes away for years.
Are y'all waiving the enhancement?
Yes, Judge.
Okay.
Yes, Judge.
All right, did you review the document entitled Court Admonishments and Defendants Waivers and Affidavit of Admonitions with your attorney?
No.
Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
It's not.
Did you understand you're charged with tampering or fabrication of physical evidence with intent to impair as a third-degree felony? Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
It's not.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
It's not.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
It's not.
Did you understand by entering this plea you were giving up those rights?
It's not.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case? Counsel, is there going to be an application for deferred adjudication or no?
No, just probation, Your Honor.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
He does, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
I believe so, Your Honor.
Mr. Sandoval, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, the state is proceeding on count 1. Punishment is to be assessed at 4 years in the prison. There's a $1,500 fine. State recommends community supervision. They're taking in consideration 2024 PF 09826, 2024 C, is this CR?
CC.
Okay, CC. They've done the new labeling for county courts. Okay.
Yes, Your Honor.
2024 CC 737376. There's to be restitution, if any, to Alejandro Perez and cause number 2024 PF 09826. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense, is that the plea?
It is, Your Honor.
State, is that the plea?
Daniel spoke with state, and yes, that is the plea.
All right. Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, are there any such motions?
Oh, yeah.
Outside the agreement, the state is requesting that your community supervision be for a term of 4 years. There be a TAP evaluation and 200 hours of community service restitution. Did you understand those were recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, ma'am.
Then to the offense as charged in count 1, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? State, any evidence?
State office, exhibit 1 and all of that.
No objection, Your Honor.
All right, did you review the document entitled Waiver and Consent to Stipulation of Testimony and Stipulations with your attorney?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you?
This part is huge. The judge is making sure he understands that a plea deal is not guaranteed. Even if the state agrees, the judge can still say no. Drop a comment. Would you risk pleading guilty here or take it to trial?
Or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by entering this plea, you are giving up those rights to have witnesses testify at this phase of the hearing?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. States exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
We are, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Judge, we just ask court to follow those recommendations.
All right. Do you have any children?
Yes, ma'am.
What are their ages?
6 and 4.
And before you were arrested, were they living with you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. What illegal drugs have you used in the past?
Heroin?
All right. How often were you using heroin?
No, not much. Just a little.
All right. So here's the thing. You need to be honest with me because I'm trying to set up conditions for you so you won't fail. You understand? Because if you fail at this probation, you're looking at 4 years in prison.
All right.
So now's the time to tell me what's going on in your life. 1.
Okay, I'm gonna use regularly.
All right. So you say heroin, anything else?
That's it. That's it.
How far did you go in school?
11. Okay.
When's the last time you had employment?
Well, I was employed before I got locked up.
All right. And doing what?
Very publishing.
Okay. All right. Is Child Protective Services involved?
No, Your Honor.
All right. And if you were released, who would you be living with?
I would be living at my mother's residence.
All right. And are there any children living there?
No,
And what's your mother's name?
Rachel Sandoval.
And does she want you living with her?
Yeah. Yeah.
Did you pick up the phone and call her and ask?
Right. Oh, yeah. You can ask her.
No. Did you
Oh,
call
yeah.
her and ask her? You just assuming she wants you to be there.
Oh, no, that's where I was staying before I got locked up.
And she understands that if you're released, that you will go back.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Yeah, I did call her and ask her. I've been talking to her.
While you've been in jail, you've been talking to her.
All right. And she doesn't have any children living with her.
Mm.
All right. So then why were you telling me you were living with your 6 and your 4-year-old?
No, they were staying with me.
Notice how methodical this is. The court is locking in every waiver. Jury trial witnesses silence. Once he pleads guilty, there's no rewind button from here on out. It's all about sentencing.
At the time, they're not staying with me now.
Okay.
They're staying with their mother.
All right. Court is finding you guilty. The court will sentence you to 4 years in the prison, suspended and probated for 4 years. There's a $1,500 fine that will be probated. Take in consideration 2024 PF 09826, 2024 CC 737376, restitution, if any, to Alejandro Perez, and 2024 PF 09826. There's to be TAP evaluation in custody. Follow all recommendations. There's to be a referral. Let me see your history just a moment. All right, there's to be a referral to felony drug court. Proof of employment within 30 days of release. There's to be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. Regular reporting by Zoom or in person. Regular random UAs. Field visits 1 time per month. until further notice. 200 hours of community service restitution. 100 hours will be deducted upon completion of parenting classes. And I am ordering parenting classes. The remaining 100 hours will be deemed satisfied, and this is voluntary if he completes his GED or if he receives a certificate or something from a trade school. Otherwise, if you don't do those things, you're going to have to complete the 100 hours. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Probation, is there anything he needs? Is there anything else you need from the court?
No, ma'am.
All right. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal.
This is where the temperature changes. Judge Boyd isn't angry, she's focused. When she says, be honest with me, that's not small talk. If he lies now and fails probation later, he's looking at 4 years locked up.
Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we can go off the record. In this court, in order to be successful, communication is key. If you have an issue, let probation know. If you feel like you're going to use, let probation know. And I'm sorry, Ms. Abrams, could you add 90 sober support meetings?
Yes, Judge.
Could I have that back, please?
Yes.
Sober support meetings, that's to help you. I know sometimes people think, oh my gosh, this is just something extra for me to do. But sometimes it helps people when they see people who are in the same situation that they are in. And I will tell you, everybody who's successfully completed probation, where I've ordered them to do sober support meetings, they come to really enjoy it. And then the next thing you know, they're leading meetings and they're there.
Did you catch that his story just shifted? First, the kids lived with him. Now they didn't. Judges notice inconsistencies like this. Instantly, credibility matters, especially when you're asking for mercy. This is classic Judge Boyd. She suspends prison, but replaces it with structure, accountability, and zero excuses. One mistake, and the deal is gone. Question for you: is this tough love or a trap waiting to snap?